Welcome to a short video which we decided to call Energy Healing on a Bird. My wife Patricia found this small robin on the ground. It had flown into a window and was knocked unconscious. Patricia is an energy healing therapist and immediately picked up the bird and held it between her two hands. This action alone sent a flow of life force energy through the small bird. Initially, although the bird was stunned and motionless, it soon began to move and eventually stood up on Patricia's left hand. Holding this position, Patricia then began rotating her right hand in an anti-clockwise circular motion a few inches above the bird. This had the effect of helping to reduce shock and balance the bird's energy field. Occasionally, she would draw her hand away from the bird, shaking off and dissipating blocked energy. There were many wild birds flying around in the vicinity, and although the bird was free to fly away at any time, it stood on Patricia's hand for over 5 minutes, absorbing the bioenergy and looking quite bemused at all the attention it was getting. It was obvious that this little robin was making a great recovery as it began to become very alert and aware of its surroundings. As Patricia raised the bird high in the air, the robin suddenly spread out its wings and flew up into the sky.